Hello guys, so today we will learn how to add columns in the worksheet of OriginPro 2024. So this is the book where we are going to add the columns. There are only two columns, A and B. There are three ways. First, right click and choose the option add column. So this is the first way. As you can see, I have added column C. The second way is you can go on the options on the top and click add column, as I have added column D. So this is the second method. Third method is just press Ctrl D and here you can choose number of columns you want to add. I click 1, so one column is added. So once again I can click Ctrl D and I can insert 5. So additional 5 column will be added, as you can see, from here to here. So you can also delete these columns by selecting, click here, right click, delete. You can delete any middle column using same method. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me using the comment